Inside Thailand's $18 million beachfront palace, Yamu One luxury villa tour in Phuket. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Luxury Home Tours. Today we're in Phuket, Thailand, taking you inside one of the most incredible beachfront estates you'll ever see, Yamu One, a mansion so breathtaking it feels more like a private resort than a home. Before we start, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and tell me, could you imagine waking up here every day? As soon as you hear the name Yamu One, you know this is no ordinary property. Perched on the eastern coast of Phuket, this sprawling estate sits on about 2.71 acres of prime beachfront land in the exclusive gated community known simply as the Cape. It's widely recognized as one of the most expensive and luxurious private residences in Thailand, with an asking price around $18 million. The location alone is stunning. The villa enjoys direct access to the sand and sea, with panoramic views across Phang Nga Bay, a backdrop that looks like it was painted by nature itself. Imagine watching sunrise light spill across the water or seeing the horizon glow orange and pink as the day fades. Here, every moment feels cinematic. Yamu One's history isn't deep in the sense of old historical dates, but its creation represents a modern kind of luxury story. It's the crown jewel of the Cape, an ultra-private enclave of just 26 luxury homes designed to blend contemporary architecture with Phuket's tropical scenery. Internationally acclaimed designers and architects brought this project to life, including Jean-Michel Gathi, known for his work on iconic resort properties, and designer Tim Beaumont. Their goal was to create a residence that feels both tranquil and exhilarating, blending indoor and outdoor living seamlessly. As you approach the entrance, the scale becomes apparent. The villa is massive, spanning over 41,000 square feet of interior space spread across 3 levels, with sprawling landscaped gardens that gently lead down to the beach. You're greeted by an elegant driveway framed by tropical greenery and stone accents that set an immediate tone of understated sophistication. This home isn't flashy for its own sake. It's designed to feel effortless, serene, and beautifully balanced with its surroundings. Walk through the entrance, and the interior space unfolds like a breathtaking gallery. Floor-to-ceiling windows stretch in every direction, framing the ocean views and inviting light deep into the architecture. It's a space where you're constantly reminded that you're connected to the sea, even when you're indoors. The designers clearly prioritized open living and seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces. The living areas feel like an extension of the landscape, with sliding glass walls that disappear, inviting the fresh ocean breeze inside. Neutral, calming tones throughout the interiors make the space feel peaceful and spacious, without overwhelming your senses. One of the standout features here is the massive 24-meter lava rock swimming pool, accented by reflecting pools and a dramatic waterfall wall. This water feature isn't just decorative. It creates a soothing soundtrack to daily life here, melding with ocean sounds and adding to the overall sense of calm. The living room itself is extraordinary. Expansive seating arrangements, contemporary furnishings, and an open-plan layout make this space ideal for social gatherings or family lounging. The sightlines stretch straight to the sea, so even while relaxing indoors, you're constantly connected to the horizon. This is the kind of room where every seat feels like a front-row view. Adjacent to the main living area is the dining room and guest kitchen, designed for effortless entertaining. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or feeding a big family, this space feels welcoming and functional. It's a perfect blend of style and purpose, contemporary and refined, yet comfortable at the same time. The villa boasts 10 luxurious bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom and private outlook. These rooms are more like private retreats than typical bedrooms. Soft color palettes, premium materials, and large windows make each space feel bright and airy. Many of these rooms open directly to terraces or balconies overlooking the pool or sea, offering tranquil settings to start or end your day. One of the best parts of Yamu One is how it blurs the line between inside and outside. Each suite, living room, and lounge hugs the landscape, making the bay views an integral part of the design. Imagine waking up in your master suite, sliding open the glass doors and stepping out into the warm morning air with nothing but blue water ahead of you, a daily ritual many dream about. And this villa isn't just beautiful, it's built for a lifestyle full of variety. There's a private gym where you can start your day with a workout that opens to the sea. There's a spa room to unwind and reset. There's even a media and games room, so entertainment stays just as elevated as relaxation. One feature that really stands out is the boathouse with a yoga deck, offering a peaceful space to stretch, meditate, or simply take in the sunrise over the water. When you have a spot like this, even a quiet morning feels extraordinary. You'll also find a putting green on the property, a touch that makes you feel like you're living in a private resort. It's one of those luxury touches that doesn't just look good, but enhances everyday living in subtle ways. Outdoors, the landscaped gardens are nothing short of spectacular. Quiet paths weave through tropical plantings, leading down to the beachfront. The sense of privacy here is incredible, even though you're on an open stretch of sand. This is the kind of setting where you feel removed from the rest of the world, perfect for contemplative walks, beach yoga sessions, or late-night stargazing with the sound of waves as your soundtrack. Let's talk about the architectural style. The overall aesthetic of Yamu One is contemporary and minimalist, but it feels warm and welcoming rather than cold or stark. Soft tones, natural materials, and an emphasis on proportion and space make this villa feel like a true sanctuary. There are no superfluous decorations. Everything serves a purpose and adds to the overall sense of calm and clarity. As one of Phuket's most coveted homes, Yamu One isn't just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. From the breathtaking ocean views to the whisper-quiet interiors, from the grand social spaces to the intimate private nooks, every part of this villa feels thoughtful and intentional. And the community around it, the Cape, is known for security, tranquility, and access to Phuket's natural beauty without sacrificing privacy. You're close to some of the island's best beaches, fine dining and cultural experiences, but still hidden away in your own world of luxury. Property like this doesn't come around often. A beachfront estate of this scale, with 3 levels of living space, vast outdoor stretch, and world-class design, makes Yamu One rare not just in Thailand, but anywhere in the world. So now I want to know, if you had the chance, would you buy a villa like Yamu One? Would this be your dream forever home, a vacation retreat, or something else entirely? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed for more stunning home tours. And tell me, what luxury property should we explore next?